remove the fat and lose a lot of weight with only the drinks created by these two ingredients. Nowadays, losing weight is one of the most widespread problems in social networks and what is more talked about on the internet and television. Having too much weight is a real problem. It is not only an aesthetic problem but also an incalculable impact on health, not to mention that it can be the cause of a series of diseases such as diabetes, hypertension, heart and certain cancers. People who are overweight usually follow a strict diet or even choose to do liposuction when there are no alternative. However, despite the epic efforts, the weight hasn't dropped by a pound. You still end up with the same weight or even gain more. Don't worry, there is always an exit from this situation and often it's much simpler than we think. Why not try something natural and very effective? If you have been trying in every way to lose weight without much success, you're tired of so many efforts, very few results, and many times you have wasted. Don't be discouraged. We have good news for you. Today, we will show you a drink recipe that makes you lose weight without affecting your health. Thanks to the recipe we're about to offer you, you can lose up to 5 kg in a month without much effort and without doing a strict diet. Moreover, don't worry about the taste because it is delicious. On the other hand, the ingredients are all available and cheap. This miracle happens thanks to a root whose effects are truly miraculous. I'm talking about Ginga. Ginga has many properties. In particular, it's an excellent thermogenic. Do you know what good thermogenic food means? It can increase body temperature, inducing the activation of the metabolism to burn fat. Ginga is one of the most effective plants to lose weight naturally, and the thermogenic effect is one of its main benefits. Therefore, it's able to speed up metabolism and promote weight loss. Today, we want to explain to you what the most effective way to lose weight with Ginga is, but it is equally important to know in which cases it's appropriate to drink it. Please take note. Drink these berries during the day instead of the water you usually drink for a month, and the results will come soon. To prepare Ginga tea, only 4 things are needed: a small pot or a kettle of those used for milk, water, fresh and already peeled Ginga, lemon. How to prepare? First, you thinly cut 5 grams of Ginga. Next, you boil 2 liters of water in a small pot. When the water begins to boil, you add the Ginga or 1 teaspoon of Ginga powder. Then bring to a boil in about 5 minutes. After about 5 minutes, you add the juice of a lemon and leave it to infuse for a few more minutes. At that point, filter the Ginga tea to eliminate the residue of the root. If you want to sweeten the Ginga tea, you can use honey instead of sugar. Please share with your friends and family and let us know what you think in the comment below.